spend more time hunting for tools than actually using them? Same here. I'm Sean, and this year I've made it my mission to finally get my workshop under control. I'm designing custom storage for my French Cleat wall and sharing every design along the way. Let me guess. You've got tape, lots of it. Masking, painters, duct, packing. It's everywhere except where you need it. Every time I reach for a roll, it's either hiding behind something, missing a piece, or doing its best impression of a tangled octopus. But here's the real challenge. These tapes are all different, sizes, widths, uses, so the dream of one holder to rule them all? Maybe not so simple. I figured, instead of hunting for the perfect tape rack, why not make a few and see what actually works? 3 designs, each with its own strengths, quirks, and ideal use case. Let's dive in. First up is the modular dispenser. It includes a built-in tape cutter, stacks neatly, and makes it easy to access frequently used tapes. It keeps things organised, and you won't lose the end of the roll. The drawback is that it doesn't fit larger or wider tape rolls. find a solution for the bigger tapes. I designed this rack-style holder to handle the chunky stuff. Duct tape, giant packaging rolls, even that mystery one you forgot buying. It makes grabbing a full roll easy, and when you need more space, just print and snap in another section. This big holder worked really well, but I found that I almost always needed masking tape. It's my go-to. When it was tucked away in the rack, I'd constantly run out without realising. I wanted an option where I could see how much was left at a glance. Trade-off? It hogs more wall space than the others. Together, these tape storage solutions gave me a proper system. Tidy, accessible, and no more tape hide and seek. This project reminded me, sometimes there's no single perfect answer, just a bunch of good ones that work better together. Want to print your own? Let me know below.